Good morning, students. Students, today we are going to discuss the unit number 7 of plus 1 physics. The name of the unit is here mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids, first of all, you know, in physics as well as in chemistry, where we talk about solids, in solids atoms are closely packed. That's why solids have definite shape, size and volume. In this chapter we are going to discuss elastic behavior of solids, elasticity. So before starting this chapter, let us be familiar with the two terms that are very important. One is the deforming force, other is the restoring force. Yes, see here, deforming force. Deforming force, it is an external force applied to the body. It is the external force applied to the body which change the shape, size or both of the body. The force which change the shape, size or both is called deforming force. जो बनावट बदल दे, चेंज कर दे. And other is the restoring force. It is an internal force. But this is external, this is an internal force which try to bring the body back to its original form. Restoring, restore karna, which brings back the body to its original configuration, original form, that is called restoring force. These two play very important role in this chapter. Deforming force and restoring force. And see here, when solid is deformed on applying a force on it, then it regains its original shape. What does it indicate? What does it indicate? It indicates the elastic behavior of solids. So beta, let us discuss about elasticity and plasticity. Elasticity and plasticity, as the name indicates, elasticity. When deforming force is applied to the body, deforming force is applied to the body, and after the removal of which the body has the property to come back to its original position, that is called elasticity. Elasticity is the property of the material due to which it regains its original configuration after the removal of deforming force. No body is perfectly elastic, but quartz is a nearly elastic body. Quartz, high quality glass. आप बच्चे क्वार्ट्स की घड़ियां पहनते हैं, क्वार्ट्स, QUARTZ. Second is the plasticity. Plasticity means it is the property of the material due to which the body fail to regain its original configuration. Body fail to regain its original configuration even after the removal of deforming force. आपने डिफॉर्मिंग फोर्स हटा भी दी है, बट बॉडी फेल टू रीगेन इट्स ओरिजिनल कॉन्फिगरेशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्लास्टिसिटी. एंड द एग्जांपल्स आर पुट्टी एंड मड. दीज आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्लास्टिक बॉडीज. Elasticity and plasticity. So today we are going to discuss in the live session. We will start what is the cause of elasticity of solids. We will start from here. So go through this audio video. We are going to discuss mechanical property of solid, elasticity, plasticity, the body which are having the characteristics of elasticity. To come back to its original configuration is called elastic body, and the other body which do not come back to its original configuration after the removal of deforming force is called plastic body. So we will discuss and we will come to know what is the cause of elasticity in case of solid. Thank you very much.